Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Today we have our lecture 26 of ICT A to Z beginner series. In today's lecture I'm going to show you the Judas Swing example on a 5-minute time frame in a Euro USD. So make sure you watch this video till end. It's a very small video but it's very informative for you. If you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel that you will see the link in the description below. And if you want to know a good broker or good platform where I get a payout genuinely, you will see that broker links in the description below. Okay, so before we jump into the video, I explained many times that Judas Swing timing is 12 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. for forex and commodities like gold, silver, US oil. The liquidity can be happen before 8:30 and after 8:30, but your entry should be after 8:30. And for indices, instead of 8:30 you are going to use 9:30. The liquidity can be happen before and after the liquidity purge. I mean that. So the entry should be after 9:30. Alright, so let's jump into the video. Here are our example today. So we are going to mark out our 12 a.m. midnight of New York UTC -4. Okay, and we are going to mark out the 8:30. So as you've seen, during the New York opening, market go through the downside and took out the day low. Okay, liquidity, and then 8:30 you mark out, price go against and then give you a liquidity, because here price took out the liquidity against you 8:30 opening. As I explained in the previous video, market structure shift, we have this fair value gap and we have this liquidity, right? So we are in a 5-minute. Basically, once you get this liquidity purge after 8:30, you can shift into 1 minute time frame, and if you find any fair value gap here, you can also take an entry from here as well. Okay, and you can target here after the fair value gap has been finished. All right, so we have these order block also, breaker block also. You can take trade from here as well. All right, so these things happen almost every day in any market. Okay, but you have to study, because Judas Swing have a different example. Like we have this a fake move of the session, right? And then market go against that thing, and you can use this as inversion fair value gap as well. If you use a 50% of the account, sorry, if you 50% and you see below 50% a fair value gap, right, and go to the trade upside. Okay, so these multiple conferences can help and increase your win rate. So I hope you learned something from this video. In the coming video you will see a more example, but if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe it. And if you want to earn money from a forex and want to learn ICT genuine theory, you will see these lectures in my playlist, right? Everything is here, is short, simple and easy way, not side talking or anything, direct jump into the point. All right, like here you will see. Okay, my also have a Urdu Hindi YouTube channel. Our name is a Quick Money. I describe many time, so you can also search in a YouTube, where you also find the same playlist. If you are from India, Pakistan or from any other country, you can, if you are not understanding my English, because I'm this is not my mother language, but I'm trying my best, so you can also watch that one. Okay, so until next time, be safe.